Jurisdiction of Kondwa Police Station in Pune City. Offence under Section 6477, 351(2) of BNS is registered. Yesterday at 7:30, Nirbhaya, age 22 years, one delivery boy with bank envelope entered her flat, and he said that courier is there, but I have forgotten the pen. So Nirbhaya went inside her home to take the pen. Meanwhile, immediately he closed the door, and this incident happened.
So, what steps have been taken by the police to investigate the whole matter after case registered?
Police has made detailed Panchanama. Medical is in progress. Total 10 teams, 5 of crime branch and 5 of zonal teams working on it. Definitely, we will nab the accused.
So, there is a primary information that he had sprayed some thing on the face of the victim and took a selfie.
Nirbhaya was unconscious since 7:30. So, which spray or any other thing was used? Regarding that, ICAR was called on the spot, and forensic experts were called on the spot. After their analysis only, which things were used will come before us.
Phone also seized, some phone also, because there's a selfie have taken.
One selfie was found in Nirbhaya's mobile. We are analyzing it, and we'll put the facts before you.